Hey beauties, and welcome back to another blog. So as you can guess from the title of this video, in today's blog we are going to be going over how to curl your lashes using an eyelash curler. Lash curlers are one of the easiest ways to open up your eyes. They create a bold impact to your natural lashes and give them an instant lift. Not only are they inexpensive, but they're an absolute must-have in any makeup lover's kit. We are extremely excited to announce that we are coming out with a Gold Luxe Beauty Tools range, which will include 4 brand new eyelash curlers. So to find out more about these new curlers, keep on watching. Step 1 for curling your lashes, you want to choose the right eyelash curler for you. So there's plenty of different eyelash curlers on the market which achieve different kind of looks, different lifts. You want to find the correct one that suits your routine and your style. Take into consideration one that is extremely good quality. So the new Gold Luxe Beauty Tools are made with a specialty pearl gold electroplating for a beautiful elegant look and longevity. These ones are designed with a white silicone pad, that way you can easily see your lashes through the curler once it's closed. Each curler has a double body handle, that way it's easy to use for comfort and easy control. So I'll step you through each individual curler and let you know what they do. This beauty here is called the Insta Lift Curler. The Insta Lift Curler works to lift, curl and lengthen the appearance of lashes in seconds. Its specialty designed curved head helps to lift the lashes to ultimate heights. This next one is called the Effortless Curl Lash Curler. So no matter what your eye shape is, this universal lash curler will curl your lashes with ease. The design prevents pinching and is perfect for all eye shapes for a natural and beautiful all-day curl. This curler is called the Ultra Mini Pro Edge Curler. So this curler will curl every hard to reach lash from inner to outer corners of the eyes. So the edge-free design prevents pinching and is perfect for all eye shapes. Last but not least, this is the Pro Edge Extra Curler. The Pro Edge Extra has all the benefits of the Ultra Mini Pro Edge Curler. This just has a wider head compared to the Mini. Once again, this will curl every hard to reach lash from the inner to outer corners, and it has an edge-free design, perfect for any eye shape. Now that we've gone through all the different types of lash curlers that we're launching, we're going to zoom right in and get into lash curling. Step 2 is you want to start with clean lashes. Eyelash curlers don't ruin your eyelashes if they are used correctly. So make sure your lashes are bare before curling them. If there is some makeup or fallout on your eye from prior makeup application, you can take a cotton tip and some makeup remover and just run them to clean your lashes. Curling your lashes with mascara already applied can damage them, which is why you should always curl them before applying mascara. What can happen is that any leftover makeup or mascara can bind your natural lashes together during the curling process. This creates stubborn clumps which are difficult to remove at the end of the day. You might go a little bit harsher to try and remove these clumps, and you might have lashes coming out or falling or breaking, which is what we don't want. My lashes are already relatively clean, but I'm just going to go through with some makeup remover anyway. I didn't do anything crazy on my eyes today. I just did foundation and concealer, but just run that cotton tip through them until all the makeup is off. Step 3 is curling your lashes. So what you want to do is you want to keep your eyes open and open the lash curler completely and bring it towards your upper lashes. Put your eyelashes between the upper part and padded bottom base. Keep as close to the root of your lashes as possible with enough space to prevent you from pinching the skin. So you want to make sure that all your lashes are inside the curler, then clamp down on your lashes gently. Gently squeeze your lashes and light pulse for about 10 seconds. So here I am just looking down into my mirror and gently pulsing. Now that you've curled your lash, what you want to do is you want to gently work the curler upward and repeat these steps. So in doing so, this will not only lift your lashes, but it will also give it some curl as well. As you can see here, just doing this has made the lashes lifted, but if I turn to the side here, they're just straight. They don't have that nice C shape. I'm going to take the curler a little bit halfway and give them another couple of pulses. And then do the same at the very tip. They don't call this the Insta Lift Lash Curler for nothing. So I'm half Asian and I have very stubborn lash hairs, but I've been using this religiously since it was sent. and I'm obsessed. Look at that difference. The next step is applying your chosen mascara. So personally, what I like to do is look down into the mirror, and I like to place the brush at the root of my lashes, give it a wiggle, and then brush it through. So you want to give it a wiggle and brush it through. So that is one coat. If you want to do something a little bit more voluminous and extra, you can opt for 2 coats, which is what I'll do here. By using mascara, you're also helping set the curl in place. You can optionally stop here, or what you can do is you can add falsies to the look. So I'm going to head off camera for a moment and put some falsies on and then show you the difference and how I like to use the edge-free lash curlers to bind the falsies and naturals together. If you decided to add some lashes, the next step is to clamp your falsies and your natural lashes together. On this eye, I just used our Kit Ready lash in the style 43 for a very natural lash look. I would either take the Ultra Mini or the Pro Edge Extra to do this next trick. So their edge-free design just makes them the perfect tool for this task. So in doing this step, you're just going to eliminate any gaps between your natural lash line and your falsies, and this will create a seamless blend. Before curling, just make sure your lash glue and mascara is completely dry to prevent the lashes and the glue from sticking to your lash curler. I'm going to be using the Ultra Mini for this step. So what you want to do is you want to take the lash curler and you want to open it completely. You can start from the middle, inner, outer corner, whichever takes your fancy. So what you want to do is you want to take your lashes in between the curler, make sure your natural and falsies are in there, and just give them a light squeeze, a light little pulse. So you don't have to pulse as long as the first step because your lashes are already curled. This is just going to bind the falsies and natural lashes together. So I'd say between like 3 to 5 seconds, you can just keep clamping. Then what you want to do is you want to work your way along the lash band until all the hairs are completely bound together. I like to keep a little bit of a distance away from the root just to avoid that glue we laid down. And just keep going, like you can keep repeating until you're happy with how all the hairs look. So that is how it all looks clamped together, curled with a natural false lash. The last and final step is cleaning your curler. So make sure you take some makeup remover or take some antibacterial spray and just give your lash curlers a clean. This is incredibly important. It'll just prevent any eye infections or damage to your lashes. Just getting rid of all that mascara that may have built up or excess makeup. Now the rubber inserts should be replaced every 3 months as well, just to keep everything in tip-top shape. And that is it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Let us know in the comments below which eyelash curler is calling your name and which you'll be picking up. Don't forget to follow our Facebook and Instagram pages as well for all product updates. Hope you have a wonderful day and we'll see you in the next vlog. Talk soon.